Hello everyone. Today we'll show the basic use of conda in pycharm. Open the command box and create the required corresponding environment. Check the created environment. If you need to create it, use this command. Here we use the already created Python 37. Open pycharm. Find the Python interpreter and select the system interpreter. Then find the Python exe file of the environment and env under the anaconda path. Click confirm and wait for loading. We can use this environment to run the project. Isn't it very convenient? Especially when meeting different projects, developed with multiple versions of Python. That's all for today. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe our channel for more tests and videos.